Discover the incredible health benefits of Soursop tea and how to make it your ultimate guide. Have you ever wondered if a single cup of tea could transform your health? Today we dive into the world of Soursop tea, a powerful beverage that not only delights the taste buds, but also packs a punch with numerous health benefits that seem almost too good to be true. Join us as we unveil the secrets of Soursop tea, ensuring you stay tuned till the end for some surprising health revelations. Soursop, also known as graviola, is a fruit that is praised not just for its unique flavor, but also for its extensive range of health advantages. Originating from the tropical regions of the Americas, this green, spiky fruit has a creamy texture and a flavor that combines strawberry, pineapple, and citrus notes. Derived from the leaves of the soursop tree, the tea is an infusion that has been used traditionally in various folk medicines for its therapeutic properties. It's not just a drink, but a journey into the world of healing and relief. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Soursop tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants which fight against free radicals in the body. Antioxidants are crucial because they offer cellular protection, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. 2. Boosts immune system. Packed with vitamin C and other immune-boosting nutrients, Soursop tea helps in strengthening your immune system, enabling your body to ward off infections and maintain a healthy guard against common and complex ailments. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds in Soursop tea have strong anti-inflammatory responses, making it an excellent choice for those dealing with inflammation-related issues such as arthritis and joint pain. 4. Anti-cancer properties. Perhaps most intriguing are the studies suggesting that Soursop tea may have anti-cancer properties. Compounds in the tea have been shown to potentially target and destroy cancer cells without harming normal cells, offering hope for new types of cancer treatments. 5. Promotes heart health. Regular consumption of Soursop tea can help in managing blood pressure levels. By aiding in the regulation of blood pressure, it contributes to heart health and reduces the risk of heart-related ailments. 6. Improves gastrointestinal health. If you suffer from digestive issues, Soursop tea could be your remedy. It helps in regulating digestive processes, aiding in constipation, and can detox the gastrointestinal system effectively. 7. Enhances sleep quality. For those struggling with insomnia, Soursop tea contains properties that help improve sleep patterns and quality due to its stress-relieving capabilities. 8. Aids in weight loss. The natural compounds in Soursop tea help in fat burning and boosting metabolism, making it a valuable addition to weight loss diets. 9. Supports healthy skin. Rich in vitamin E and vitamin C, Soursop tea aids in improving skin health, boosting collagen production, and providing antioxidants directly to your skin, keeping it youthful and radiant. 10. Reduces pain. Traditional uses of Soursop tea include pain relief, whether it's from a headache, joint pain, or even nerve pain. 11. Helps control blood sugar levels. If you're looking to stabilize your blood sugar, Soursop tea has shown potential in helping to manage diabetes by reducing blood sugar levels. 12. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Soursop tea serves as a good source of several important nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and thiamine, which are essential for overall health maintenance. 13. Improves liver health. It promotes liver health by helping in cleansing and detoxifying the liver, preventing liver damage. 14. Enhances energy levels. Feeling fatigued? Soursop tea can help increase your energy levels due to its nutrient-rich profile that boosts overall health and metabolism. 15. Antiviral and antibacterial properties. The tea has shown to have both antiviral and antibacterial properties, making it an efficient fighter against some bacterial and viral infections. 16. Effects on mental health. Regular consumption of soursop tea might contribute to stress reduction and the moderation of anxiety levels, thus supporting mental health. 17. Diuretic properties. As a natural diuretic, soursop tea helps in flushing out toxins through urination, aiding in the cleansing process of the urinary tract. Easy preparation and taste. Preparing soursop tea is straightforward and enjoyable, making for a delightful brewing experience. The taste is uniquely refreshing, slightly sweet and tangy, often enjoyed hot or cold. Possible side effects. While beneficial, soursop tea can sometimes lead to adverse effects if consumed excessively. It's essential to discuss its use with a healthcare provider, especially for pregnant women and those on specific medications. Comparison with other teas. Soursop tea stands out among other herbal teas due to its unique blend of health benefits ranging from cancer prevention to skin and sleep health enhancements. Many individuals have reported significant improvements in their health after incorporating soursop tea into their daily routines, from enhanced energy levels to better digestive health. Soursop tea is available in many health food stores and online platforms, ready to be shipped directly to your doorstep. DIY recipes. Provide simple steps for creating your own soursop tea. Recent studies underscore the potential of soursop tea, reinforcing its status as a beneficial drink in various health aspects. Ready to give soursop tea a try? Start by integrating it into your wellness regimen gradually and witness the transformation in your health firsthand. This comprehensive guide into the miraculous benefits of soursop tea is designed to educate, inspire, and motivate you to embark on a journey of improved health and wellness. Here are more details about how you can integrate soursop tea into your daily routine, complete with DIY recipes and savvy ways to shop for and use this remarkable herbal tea. DIY soursop tea recipes. Creating your own soursop tea at home is an easy and satisfying way to enjoy all the benefits this tea has to offer. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Basic soursop tea. Ingredients: 1-2 dried soursop leaves, fresh if available. 2 cups of water, honey or agave nectar, optional. Lemon slice, for added flavor, optional. Boil the water in a saucepan. Add the soursop leaves to the boiling water and turn the heat down to a simmer. Let it steep for 10-15 minutes depending on how strong you want the tea. Remove from heat and strain the tea into a cup. Add honey and a slice of lemon to enhance the flavor, optional. Enjoy your tea hot or let it cool down and serve with ice for a refreshing drink. Soursop green tea. Blend. Ingredients: 1 dried soursop leaf, 1 green tea bag, honey, optional, 2 cups of water. Boil water and pour over the soursop leaf and green tea bag in a large mug. Let steep for 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag and leaf, add honey to taste, and enjoy either hot or chilled. These recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to experiment with adding other herbs or spices like cinnamon or ginger to cater to your taste and enhance the health benefits. Shopping for soursop tea. When shopping for soursop tea, it's crucial to look for quality and authenticity. Here are some tips. Choose organic soursop tea when possible to avoid pesticides and other chemicals. Look for tea that contains pure soursop leaves with no fillers or unnecessary ingredients. Check online reviews to see what other users are saying about the brand and the quality of their soursop tea. Compare prices across different retailers to find the best deal. Remember, unusually low prices might indicate a compromise on quality. Scientific studies. The health claims associated with soursop tea are supported by various studies. Antioxidant levels. Research has confirmed that soursop contains more than 200 chemical compounds in its leaves, seeds, and fruit, many of which have antioxidants. Anti-cancer effects. Studies suggest that certain chemical compounds in soursop can selectively kill cancer cells while sparing healthy cells, although more research is needed to fully understand these effects and their application in human cancer treatment. While soursop tea offers many health benefits, it's important to consume it responsibly. Consultation with a healthcare provider. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health product, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have existing health conditions. As with many herbal remedies, moderation is key. Excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. Energized to start your journey with soursop tea? Why not begin today? Experiment with the recipes provided, experience the unique flavor, and observe the myriad ways it can enhance your health. Share your experiences and favorite soursop tea recipes in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting health wisdom. As we wrap up this in-depth exploration into soursop tea, remember the power lies in your hands to transform your health, one cup at a time. Embrace this natural wonder and let it lead you to a healthier, happier you. Thank you for staying till the end. Cheers to your health.